Good afternoon. Tom Stoll, Sedgwick County Manager, here today with your April 13th Sedgwick County COVID-19 update. First, let me go through the numbers, national to local. In the United States of America, our numbers have increased to 558,999 cases positive. That's a 5% increase compared to yesterday. In the state of Kansas, we increased from 1,337 cases yesterday to 1,376 today. That is a 3% increase. Number of confirmed deaths in the state of Kansas is 62. And in Sedgwick County, our cases increased from 194 to 199. That's a 2.5% increase. Our periphery county count is Harvey County at 4, Butler County at 8, Cowley County at 1, Sumner County at 2, and Reno County at 12 positive cases. Of the Sedgwick County 199 cases, we have 80 total recoveries and have 2 deaths in Sedgwick County. A person is considered recovered from COVID 72 hours after symptoms have stopped, or 7 days after symptoms start, whichever is longer. As of noon today, on April 13th, the KDHE reports that 1,400 residents have been tested for COVID-19 in Sedgwick County. The health department, our local county health department, is currently taking samples of residents who meet the criteria to be tested for COVID-19, and there are 17 such residents scheduled for sampling today. If a resident has a general question about COVID-19, or if they think they need to be tested, they should call the United Way of the Plains at 211 and start the screening process. And for up-to-date information, as we say every session, visit the county website at www.sedgwickcounty.org. As is typical with crisis, we have our scammers out there who are trying to take advantage of a situation. Sedgwick County Health Department has been notified of such a potential scam related to COVID-19. Some residents are receiving text messages claiming to be the Sedgwick County Health Department, or they're getting texts stating that we are the Sedgwick County Health Department. The message alerts the resident that they have come into contact with someone who has COVID-19, and the resident is directed to fill out a survey at a link provided online. This is a scam. Please note that our health department, the Sedgwick County Health Department, will first call all potential close contacts of COVID-19 cases as part of infectious disease monitoring. We will only use text messaging after a verbal permission for such a close contact. We will never ask for personal information in an online survey, such as your Social Security number. So that if they do that, you can immediately see that as a red flag. If a resident has been contacted by a COVID-19 scammer, such as these text messages, they should file a complaint with the Attorney General's Consumer Protection Division online on a form specifically designed to cover COVID-19 related scams and price gouging, and that address is www.ag.ks.gov. www.ag.ks.gov. As usual, our county prevention measures are still in place. Please stay home. We'll go over the guidelines in just a second with the state and county guidelines for that. But please stay home when you're not doing emergency essential services. Wash your hands often with soap and water. Cover all coughs and sneezes, and maintain good social distancing between you and others. And that today is still at 6 feet. Our limited public gatherings remains at 10 people or less. There are a number of online kinds of pieces of information regarding face mask guidance, and KDHE has recently noted that homemade face masks may be another tool, along with all the above prevention measures, to keep people from unknowingly spreading the virus. Use this acronym when considering safe homemade masks. First is multi-layered, and the acronym will spell mask. The M is multi-layered tightly woven 100% cotton. Use a thread count of 180 or higher, and do not buy surgical or N95 masks. These are masks that are needed by our medical responders and by our hospitals and doctors. The A stands for avoid. Avoid your face and remove it from behind by taking it off from your ear forward. Never touch the front of the mask, and always remove it from behind your head. The S stands for scrap it. Scrap it if it's damaged, soiled, or doesn't fit. Make sure it's breathable and fits snugly. Don't use it while it's damp, wet, or dirty. And the K means keep the mask and your hands clean. Wash your hands before you use the mask on and after you take it off. Wash or dispose of the mask after every use. Today in Sedgwick County, our current orders in place are the following. The governor's stay-at-home order is in place until April the 19th. The Sedgwick County stay-at-home order is in place until April 23rd. Sedgwick County's order banning public gatherings in excess of 10 people is in place until April 23rd. The governor's order banning public gatherings in excess of 10 people is in place until May 1st. Just generally speaking, when a governor's order is in place, that supersedes the county order. So our gathering of excess of 10 people is effectively in place until May 1st. As a reminder, Sedgwick County residents do not need any sort of documentation to travel from one place to another while under these orders. The Sedgwick County Sheriff's Office will not stop you unless there is an illegal reason to do so. A legal reason to do so. In other words, if you are doing something illegal, like run stop sign or speeding, they will stop you as normal. Regarding mental health support, ComCare of Sedgwick County is offering a support line for individuals who may be experiencing an elevation in mental health symptoms. Individuals may call area code 316-660-1111 from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Monday through Friday. They will receive resources, coping skill ideas, and encouragement to keep doing what they need to do to stay healthy emotionally and physically. Residents who are experiencing a mental health crisis should call area code 316-660-7500. We are still taking donation requests for first responders. Anyone who has donations to give regarding masks or gloves, aprons, hand sanitizer, etc., should contact us at www.sedgwickcounty.org or contact Sedgwick County Emergency Management at area code 316-660-5959. Thank you all for listening to this update, and we will be back again tomorrow with information. Thank you.